Welcome back to Mech Game DK. Today we're going to look more into the Mech game that I'm building, and I will show you the latest updates. Also, I just wanted to briefly mention my website, martygamedk.fly.dev. You can go here, you can sign up for the game updates, you can try the Network Defender game, you can see if you can beat my scores. I'm currently number 1 with 488,000 scores here. It took me 2 weeks to create this score. See if you can beat me. Maybe you're better at this tower defender game than I am. And finally, this new Cameron game is a runner game that I'm building. Is available as well. You can just click here to play. You can subscribe to the channel and you'll get double score, and you'll get extra 5 health points or extra health points, so you can get further than anyone else. Have a little bit advantage if you're subscribed to the channel. So feel free to visit the website, and here you can find all updates on both videos, and you can find updates on the games that I'm building. So let's get into the Mech game. Okay, so we're back in this game here. A few updates here already is that when you choose single player, you will then see the planet rotating. I created this scene as sort of like a loading section when you start the game. You select the planet, and you can actually see more details now as well here on the select screen. You have the planet rotating in the background that you chose. You can choose color on the mech for now, and I plan on upgrading this even further. So we'll go ahead, play against 3 CPUs and deploy into the world now. So here inside of the game you have extra features. You have chance so you can upgrade your mech. Actually, when you do the upgrade, you will see on the shoulders a little bit of an upgrade showing there. Also, we have the mech cockpit available. If you press V on the keyboard, you will get inside of the mech, and you can walk around with the WASD keys and actually see, the world in this perspective. And it's quite fun to actually play like that. You could press V again, and you will come out again. So we can start to place down our base here, and I will do a little bit of building so you can see how it works. At the moment, there was a little bit of an upgrade to the ocean or to the lakes here as well, but still not finished. We have to put extra layers to make it look good. And based on the world, there's a little bit of a extra fog going on that I created as well. And we have an enemy maker already here, so I will just start building our facility for robots. So but we can upgrade the shoulders here. You can see that this black upgrade is coming on the shoulders here, so we have a little bit more power when attacking, when these skills will start to unlock as we get more and more XP. So I just used the number 1 iron strike here, and this is the lightning that you saw on the screen just now. In the robotics facility, we have a heavy tank we can build as well. I will also try to build that. We added some more details to the animations on death for the spiders. So we added some more projectile fire and projectile explosions as well when the combat is happening, to make it feel a little bit more realistic, and all in all, a lot of upgrades actually. Now it's also possible to upgrade the turrets, and you can also upgrade the spiders. These ones is this upgrade, so we can upgrade that as well. So this will now have more health points, and they will have stronger attacks. Let's start building a heavy tank here as well if we have the materials to do so. But else we can just pick up some more here. And of course we added some mountains as well. They're a little bit scattered at the moment. I need to see if I can make it prettier, but still it's the game is still running perfectly. Like, you can play through against 3 computer enemies, and they are actually smarter now as well. So my plan is that I want to add Claude API, so you can actually connect your own Claude. And if you have these LLMs running at home, with Claude power at your house, you will be able to connect it. So that means that you can actually add your own AI running on a computer, running on an extra thing at home, and you can actually connect it to the game, and the enemies will be able to be a lot smarter, right, and actually outsmart you as well. So the thing is that I'm working on how to scale difficulty with the AI, and sort of give them different strategies. There was 5 strategies that were implemented at the moment. This is hard-coded strategies, but there are 5 different ones, and it's random which enemy gets what, and when they get, when they use it in after different scenarios, what happens in the game. So here you can actually see the tank also in a little bit of a combat here. Works out pretty well, and if you get close with it, it will start using machine gun as well, and that does quite a lot of damage at the moment. But at the moment, this is one of the best, the best units compared to this. But if you have enough spiders, then you can basically wipe out any base at the moment. But of course, we need to do some balancing, but I'm still working on implementing more units. The next one will be a sniper unit that we will implement. This is work in progress, so I think, in a week or 2, we will see that new unit come into play, and also working on once we get more details into the game, then work on getting it on an early access on Steam. So let me know what you think about that, and let me know what you think about all the changes that you see here in this video, and if you got any ideas how to upgrade things, any good graphic packs or anything that I should be working with, give me the idea, and I can always see that if it's like something that I want to implement, or if it's a good idea, then definitely welcomed. So yeah, but it's actually quite fun, and it can be a little bit challenging to actually win the game already now, depending on the strategies that they will roll on launch, when you launch the game. So we have a little bit of a wave action going on. It's not very detailed, but I will be working on upgrading that. So it's a little bit hard to get this lake going correctly. I also added some, digging below here to make it look like it's further down there. So let's check it out from the cockpit here, and now you can just walk around like a shooter game, right? But it looks pretty cool. Not super high detail. You can actually look into the horizon. You can see all the units in the horizon as well. So this is something that I need to also work on, adding some fogging, adding some max view to the distance. At the moment, there is it's quite you can just see everything. So, and also I want to implement the screens inside of the mech here, so you can actually see yourself there from the webcam. You can see your enemies, you can see the minimap inside of the mech. So this is something that I'm working on as well, to upgrade it even further. And some people want to play the game like that. You can't play it 100% like that, but you can go into that view if you want to have some fun. And I think that it's great at the moment. Gaming is about having fun, right? So remember to smash the like button, remember to subscribe to this channel, and then I will just see you in the next update. Sign up on the website, go check out the other games, and I will just see you soon, guys. Have a nice week ahead. Bye.